let's go show mom.
Oh my gosh.
Dog poop. Dog poop.
Girl!
Crow, hey! Wait, Crew, where are you going?
I took a
Hey, Crew! Where are you going, sucker? Oh, boy. Alright, bye, Crew. Alright, today we're gonna do some leveling. The ground is moist, kind of squishy in some places. I think it's a great time to use a little bit of weight and roll it out a little bit. I think a lot of people don't like this because they say it causes compaction, which of course it probably does, but I'd rather have a flat grass with a slight compaction rather than bumpy grass. Yeah, so I don't know if that's an actual dichotomy. It might be false, but a false dichotomy. I don't care. I just feel like getting out here and doing something. Well, I noticed it wasn't filling up quite fast enough, and I thought that was a issue. If you can't tell, there's water here. So that valve is busted, even though it's supposed to be anti-freeze valve. Still busted. Now I got to deal with that. Well, it helped a little. I wasn't able to get it as heavy as I wanted because my stupid drain froze and cracked. So it's only about, the little barrel is only about maybe about halfway full. But it's better than it was. I noticed a few things growing in here. This little guy, I don't know what that is. You don't know what that is? Other than that, it's